Alright, what's up guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. We actually have some great news. We ended up ordering a car lift and that is supposed to show up today. We thought it was going to take a little bit longer to get here, but it's going to be here today, so we need to get all this stuff moved. That way we have some room to put it out front here, get it all open, and see what we need to do for mounting it. We're a little undecided where we're going to put it yet, so we'll figure that out when we get there. So we got everything moved, got a space cleared out here on the floor for the lift. Now we're ready for when it shows up.
So the car lift just arrived. We gotta get the semi-trailer situated. I don't think he knows where he's at yet.
All right, so we got the tractor over here at Corey's a while ago, so we'll go ahead and use that to unload it. We should have enough straps. That's gonna be fun taking that out of the box truck. I thought it was gonna be on a flatbed.
Pallet jacket, I gotta call him.
All right, so wish us luck getting this unloaded. Hopefully it works out fine. We'll see if we can't scoot it towards the back of the trailer and then take it out with the tractor. We will see.
What do you got on the tractor, dude? We got our car lift. Hell yeah. All right, let's not drop it on the way to the shop. Oh. Oh shit. Whoa there, Turbo. I thought it was supposed to come out on a flatbed, not a box truck. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a car lift. It is heavy though. Now we're gonna start unboxing it and we'll get read the directions, make sure everything's there, and looks like everything is good.
All right guys, so before we start unboxing this and showing you more about it and what one it is, we're gonna run over to Home Depot to get some stuff that we'll end up needing to put this in. So we'll be back in a minute and then we'll talk more about it. All right guys, so we are back from Home Depot. Went and got some stuff for putting the car lift in. What do we got here, Corey? We got our anchor bolts.
We picked up more anchors because we're gonna put it on plate. We're gonna use some plates for some spread out the load a little bit better.
We'll probably show you guys more of this once we're putting it in, but we got some drill bits and anchor bolts for that and some plates. So want to go ahead and start opening this and see what we got?
Yeah,
who put these plates here? All right, well I guess first of all,
well, these are our plates that we're gonna use to mount it on, so we have a little bit of spread. Those are heavy.
All right, so I guess we didn't talk about what lift you got. What'd you?
So it's an Atlas something 9100 or something. It's a little cheaper than most of them, but it is certified. I would recommend buying a certified lift. There is cheaper ones that, like I think it's Lift All or A+ lifts. They're Chinese. They're not certified. I wouldn't recommend buying one. I would just save up a little more money and buy at least a certified lift because it's certified to go in an actual shop. This is probably their Atlas's mid-grade lift for, you know, just doing stuff in your own shop. It's not going to be used day in and day out every single day like in a shop would. So
yeah, it should work good.
Yeah, definitely make sure you check out the certifications for the lifts because you want a good one.
I think it'll work awesome. Let's go ahead and start unboxing this and see what we got.
I get it.
Oh God. Oh, look at that. Get a nice shot of this.
Our padded bar for the top for the shut off. Back to Alright, so the lift is completely disassembled from its carrier. There's parts everywhere. We're currently looking for directions, but we might have to find some on the internet. All the pieces look to be in good quality. Nothing's damaged. I think all the parts are here. Hydraulic lines, cables. I think we're ready to start lifting things up and putting it together, right, Justin?
Yeah, looks good. Looks like everything's here, but we won't know until we start putting it together. Got all the cables, hydraulic lines.
We won't be able to use it tonight because we don't have any hydraulic fluid for the pump, but...
Or epoxy, which we should probably go
get
for the...
You need to epoxy the anchors in the floor, for sure. We did pre-drill the floor. We got enough thickness. We're at 4.5 inches, I think it was. We are going to actually mount it on plates for if anybody's curious, just for the extra assurance, because I don't exactly want a 9,000 pound rig fall on me if I'm
Yeah.
lifting up a pickup. So
We'll show more of that in the video installing it. This was just a good video showing the lift and unboxing it.
yeah, it was pretty fun getting it. It was exciting.
We'll probably start working on this today, maybe going tomorrow, we'll find out, but that'll be a separate video.
It'll definitely take till tomorrow to get it all done, but that'll be it for this video. We'll make sure we'll have another video on us assembling everything, how it went together, and using it hopefully tomorrow.
Yeah,
So.
stay tuned for that one.
All right, we'll catch you next time.